think it's interesting, so I came down to Harley for a service. I figured while I was here, let me look at the 2022, which I did. I just really focused on the 2022 Street Glide. They do have a road glide here too, but I focus on the Street Glide. So while I'm here, the guy's like, well, why don't you try to trade in your bike? I'm like, I got 1,000 miles on my bike. I said, so we can still try to trade it and work the numbers. So I said, all right, fine, fuck it. Let's see what you got. I know, crazy, right? But that gives them something to do. And then the sales guy is a new sales guy, so he's being trained. So why not be trained on me? So we'll let you know, guys. I may, instead of having my Gauntlet gray bike, I may leave here with a burgundy and black bike. All right, guys, later.
Ain't you like trading?
I just got that, baby. I only got 1,000 miles on it, man. Come on. I gotta do a little harder than that before I trade it. Did they make any changes between? Oh, I'm sorry. You work there?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did they make any changes between?
21, 22 now.
Yeah, because well, that was
actually
easy.
the only difference they made was the transmission dipstick. They changed the material of it. That's all.
That's it.
That's the only change that was made on the bike.
Any new colors?
Yeah, there were a couple new colors. It actually came back with the Gunship gray. Remember that from like 18?
Oh yeah.
They came back out with that. They had the Gauntlet gray and black.
I got
I think we actually have one of the Gunship grays out back.
Oh, I like to see that. I have the Gauntlet gray now, so that's close to it, right?
Well, the Gauntlet's a metallic color.
Metallic, yeah. This one is like
a
flat color.
You know,
that's right.
You know, shiny, but no metallic in it.
No metallic in it. Yeah, I like the metallic. I was tossing up when I was buying mine between red and black, and just black on black. But then I ended up getting the Gauntlet gray.
Gauntlet gray is a nice color.
Yeah, I actually like it. I also looked at the gray and black, but I didn't like that blue pinstripe. I was like, that pinstripe fucked me up.
It's kind of bright between those two colors.
Yeah, I just couldn't get with that guy.
Personally, I like that though. I like that Gauntlet gray and black.
Yeah.
The blue pinstripe kind of stands out.
Yeah, you know, that pinstripe, you know what? I came here and actually sat on the bike, and they had the little, you know, they threw the for sale sign on there and everything like it was mine. I was like, yeah, okay. Yeah, you know, I give him that. Yeah, exactly. I give him an E for effort. But I ended up
pretty red though.
Yeah, I do like this red. Yeah, that's nice. But yeah, I did like that. This bike is fast too. Holy shit, that bike is fast.
Yeah, they're fun to ride. I remember the first time I got on one, I came out of the dealership where I was working. I crashed the throttle about halfway.
I was shocked at how fast that bike is. All right, so this is the, what is it called?
Gunship gray.
Gunship gray. Yeah, that's nice. I like this Gunship gray. I do like this color. Different from the Gauntlet gray.
Metallic, you know,
but still looks really
black
good.
Colors, yeah, it's got a rich color to it.
Yeah, it does. It does. I like this. It's a shame they didn't make any changes from 2021 to 2022, other than a price bump.
No, that's it.
That's nice.
They didn't make any changes to the bike itself.
None at all. All right. Thank you, sir.